In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Forms ownership from one account to another, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Google Drive and signing into the account that currently owns the form. It's important you're in the right account, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles. Once Drive loads, look for the Apps section so you can quickly jump to Google Forms. If you don't see it right away, the Google Apps grid at the top of the page is another easy way to find forms. Open Google Forms and locate the form you want to hand off. You can choose it from your recent files or search by name. Go ahead and open the form so you're on its editing screen. Before we share it, double check you've picked the correct form, especially if you have similar versions or copies. Now click the share option near the top right. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access the form. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email of the person or account you want to take over. Make sure you're using the exact account that should receive ownership in the end. When you add them, ensure their role is set to editor so they can manage and edit the form. This is key for a smooth handoff. Next, look at the General Access section in the same window. By default, it's often set to restricted, which means only specific people can open it. Change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Doing this makes it easier for the new account to open the form without permission issues, especially if your organization has tight sharing rules. If your form includes sensitive information or responses, you can switch this back to restricted after the new account confirms access. Click Done to save your changes. The person you added will receive an email invitation and they'll be able to open and edit the form immediately. This gives the new account full access to work on the form and prepare for the ownership handoff. A quick note, depending on your Google account type and your organization settings, you may see an option in the sharing settings to make the new person the owner. If that option appears, it typically shows after you've added them as an editor. Some schools and workplaces restrict ownership transfers, especially across different domains, and in those cases, an administrator may need to help. To wrap up, we went to Drive, opened Forms, selected the form, shared it with the future owner, adjusted general access to anyone with the link, and saved. After the new account confirms access, you can tighten link sharing again if needed.